In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create navigation tabs in Data Studio so your reports feel more organized, easier to navigate, and much more professional overall. If you've ever built a report and felt like everything was crammed into one long page or difficult for viewers to browse, adding tabs is one of the simplest ways to improve that experience. It gives your report a clean, structured layout that feels more like a website, where users can quickly move between sections without getting lost. Let's start by opening your report in Data Studio. Before we even enable tabs, it's important to set up a solid structure. Tabs are based on pages, so each page you create will become its own tab. Head to the top bar and click Add Page to begin creating the sections you want in your report. Think of each page as a different part of your story. For example, you might have an overview page that highlights key metrics, a sales page for revenue data, a marketing page for traffic sources, and maybe a conversions page for performance insights. Try to group related data together so each page has a clear purpose. This makes your tabs much more intuitive and helpful for anyone viewing the report. Take a moment here to plan things out. Instead of rushing, think about how someone else will use your report. What do they need to see first? What details should come later? A well-organized structure makes your tabs feel natural instead of overwhelming. Also, try not to create too many pages. While tabs are useful, too many can clutter your report and make navigation harder instead of easier. Once your pages are ready, go to the top menu and click on Theme and Layout. This is where you control the overall design and structure of your report. When you click it, a panel will open on the right-hand side of your screen. This panel contains global settings, meaning any changes you make here will apply across your entire report, not just one page. Inside that panel, switch to the Layout tab. Scroll down until you find the setting called Navigation Type. This controls how users move between pages. By default, your report might be set to something like left side navigation, or even have no visible navigation at all. Click on the drop-down and change the navigation type to Tab. As soon as you select this option, you'll instantly see a row of tabs appear across the top of your report. Each tab represents one of the pages you created earlier. This gives your report a clean, familiar interface that allows users to jump directly to the section they need without scrolling endlessly. Another benefit is that these tabs automatically follow your report's theme. So if you've customized your colors and fonts, the tabs will match your branding. Still, it's a good idea to preview your report and make sure everything looks clear and consistent. Now that your tabs are visible, the next step is to make sure they're labeled properly. The tab names come directly from your page titles, so if your pages are named something like Page 1 or Untitled, they won't be very helpful. To fix this, rename your pages. You can do this by clicking on the page title and editing it, or by using the page settings in the interface. Keep your names short, clear, and consistent. For example, use labels like Overview, Sales, Marketing, or Support. This helps users instantly understand where they are and where to go next. You can also reorder your pages if needed. The order of your pages determines how your tabs appear from left to right. Try to arrange them in a logical flow, usually starting with a general overview and then moving into more detailed sections. Before finishing up, take a moment to test everything. Click through each tab and make sure your report flows smoothly. Check that all pages load correctly and that the navigation feels natural. If something seems off, you can always go back and adjust your page names or order. And that's it. By adding pages, switching your navigation type to tabs, and labeling everything clearly, you've transformed your Data Studio report into something far more user-friendly and professional. It's a small change that makes a big difference in how people interact with your data.